Hi everyone, I'm Katie, and in this video, we're going to go over our preparing your return chat message. The first thing you want to do is click Get Free. Then you're going to want to go to your firm templates under Chats and open that template to review it. Here you can see we've got our template name, which the client does not see, so you can name it whatever you would like. You have your From section, which you can choose yourself or any of your firm members. Then you have your thread assignee. This is going to be the person who receives any responses from your clients in their inbox plus, and then they will be the ones that would normally reply to those clients. You then have your subject, and then you have the content of your message. You go ahead and make any changes you would like, and then you can click Save and Exit. Then normally this template is going to be part of your pipeline, but to send it as a one-time message, you can go and click New, Chat. Click the client you need to send it to. Then go ahead and select the correct template. And then you're going to see your subject and the content of the message. You're able to add reminders at this point if you did not add reminders as part of the template. And then click Create Chat. If you would like to send it to multiple people, you can go ahead and click Clients, which is going to pull up your accounts page. You can select the checkbox up here, or you can select certain people in your accounts on your accounts page that you need to send it to. Once you've done that, you need to click More Actions and go ahead and click Send Message. There we go. It's going to show you in your Choose section who you selected. If you just selected certain people, if you selected your whole list, it will show you up at the top that you've selected a certain amount of people. Then you're going to go ahead and select your template. Then you'll see your subject and the content of the message. You can set your reminders if you need to, and then click Create Chats. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.